The future of robotics is here, and it's cheaper than you think. Tesla just dropped a bombshell. The Optimus Gen 3, a fully capable humanoid robot, could hit the market for under $10,000 as early as next year. With advanced AI and household-ready skills, this isn't just another tech demo, it's a revolution. Elon Musk has been teasing this for years, but now it's real. The Optimus Gen 3 isn't just a lab experiment, it's designed to clean your house, carry groceries, assist the elderly, and even fold laundry. And with Tesla's manufacturing power behind it, this robot can become as common as iPhones in just a few years. But how did Tesla pull this off? Why is Optimus unstoppable compared to competitors like Boston Dynamics or Figure AI? And most importantly, how can they sell it for less than a used car? Let's break it all down. But before moving further, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. So, for decades, humanoid robots struggled with one basic task: walking without falling over. Early robots like Honda's Asmo or Boston Dynamics' Atlas needed safety ropes just to stay upright. Traditional robotics relied on complex physics calculations, measuring every joint, every angle, every force to maintain balance. It was slow, inefficient, and prone to failure. But Tesla took a different approach. Instead of complex programming every movement, they let AI figure it out. Using reinforcement learning, Optimus trained in millions of virtual simulations, learning to walk, recover from pushes, and navigate uneven terrain, just like a human. The results are a robot that moves naturally, adapts in real time, and never falls. Competitors like Figure AI's robot took 18 months to achieve smooth walking. Tesla's Optimus is already navigating factories, delivering tools and handling real-world tasks with no safety nets. Early critics laughed at Tesla's decision to give Optimus human-like hands, but Tesla had a bigger vision of a robot that can do anything a human can. Now Optimus Gen 3's hands have 22 degrees of freedom more than most industrial robots. It can grip a wrench, pick up an egg, type on a keyboard, and even fold the clothes. Tesla builds its own motors. The same tiny, ultra-efficient actuators powering Tesla's cars now drive Optimus fingers. No startup can match its lower costs, better reliability, and mass production at scale. Before moving further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to it now. Optimus can understand you thanks to AI like ChatGPT. Optimus can follow natural voice commands, ask it to clean the kitchen or help grandma stand up, and it just does it. No coding and no complicated instructions required. Every Optimus in the wild sends data back to Tesla, making the AI smarter every day, just like Tesla's self-driving cars. The more bots deployed, the better they get. The biggest hurdle for humanoid robots is the battery life. Current lithium-ion packs are heavy, slow to charge, and risky. But Tesla has a solution: the solid-state batteries. The batteries are lighter and cuts robot weight by 20%, making movements faster and smoother. Leaks suggest that Optimus Gen 3 can be the first robot with this tech. If they pull it off, competitors won't stand a chance. Elon Musk isn't just building a robot, he is building an industry. Factories will rent Optimus bots for less than human wages, hospitals will use them to lift patients, your home might have one by 2030. With Tesla's manufacturing edge, they can produce millions per year, just like their cars. Tesla Bot Gen 3 isn't just another gadget. It's the first true household robot, powered by AI, built at scale, and priced for the masses. Will it change the world? Will your next roommate be a Tesla robot? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.